Watch this video and learn how to draw Itsy Bitzy Spider. Later on, Artie dances to the Itsy Bitzy Spider song. And watch to the end to see Louie's shape break. Artie,
Yay.
are you ready?
Yeah.
Little artists, are you ready? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Let's run, let's run.
Hi Artie!
Oh, hello, little artist. Artie didn't see you there.
Are you ready to do something fun?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Oh, yes. Artie's going to do a drawing today.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yes, let's do a drawing.
Okay. Woohoo!
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
So what are you going to draw, Artie?
Oh, I didn't really think about it.
Remember that spider we saw?
Yeah.
Well, draw that.
Oh, yeah. That's a really good idea. Okay. Artie will draw that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's hop to it!
Let's start by drawing our spider's eyes. We'll draw a circle towards the bottom of the page on the left-hand side. Sometimes it's hard to draw a circle in one go, so do it in little sections. It'll be easier that way, won't it, Artie?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Now draw another circle on the right side, just beside the first one. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, little artists, here's a message from Bunny.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thanks, Bunny. Okay, Artie, let's draw two small circles inside the larger ones and shade them in black. After this drawing, let's go in the yard and see if we can find a spider, Artie.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay.
Artie really likes hunting for spiders. Now draw a large upside-down V shape, going from the left eye and all the way back down to the side of the right eye.
It's a lovely day to create some art!
Sure is.
Now draw a curved line from the left side all the way across underneath the eyes to the right side. Let's add a little smiley face underneath the eyes. Did you know, Artie, that real spiders have 8 eyes? 8!
I didn't know. Wow. Okay. Wow.
I know, weird, right? Okay, let's draw some stripes up our spider's body. Draw lots of curved lines and try and equally space them apart.
Hi, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Are you drawing a carrot?
No.
Oh, I wish you would.
Maybe next time.
Okay,
Bye.
I think Bunny really wants you to draw a carrot, you know, Artie. In fact, I understand what she was saying. This drawing does look a little bit like an upside-down carrot.
Oh.
What is it, Artie?
Oh.
What?
Can we have a dance break, please?
You want a dance break?
Yeah.
Okay, we can have a dance break.
Yay! Dance break! Okay.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy
Look at Artie go!
went up the spout again.
He sure has the moves.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Glorious shoes. Do you like mine? I got mine on. Oh, 10.
Yay! That was a really fun dance break.
That was a great dance break, Artie.
Artie tired. Whew. Phew.
I bet. Should we carry on with the drawing?
Oh, yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Now we're going to add our spider's legs. Draw a little circle on the left side and shade it in black. And then draw 2 lines going up to the spider's body. 1, 2. And then shade in between those 2 lines. Coming up, Louie's got a really good shape break for us. That's right, Artie. Let's do another leg. Another circle shaded in. 2 curvy lines going up to the body of the spider. And then shade in between them, just like we did before.
Oh, that music sounds nice. Oh no, that's Painty's music.
Uh-oh.
Painty, you've made a mess again. I'm going to have to clean that up. Artie, can you draw some more legs? I'm going to go and find my... Do you know where my cleaning cloth is? Oh, here it is. I found it. It's over here. Okay, I'm cleaning the paint. Oh, Painty is such a nuisance. Okay, I think I got it all. I don't know why we let that little rascal hang around here. He just squirts paint everywhere all the time.
Yeah.
He's a nuisance. Okay, so we've got some legs on the left side. Now let's draw some on the right side. Now try and mirror the drawing if you can, Artie.
Mirror?
Yes, mirror. Try and make the right side look as if it's looking into a mirror of the left side.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
I'm glad you think so, guys. Artie is very creative. A couple more legs on the right side, Artie. Artie, do you remember that time we found a spider in Louie's bed? We had to take it out and we never told him about it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
I know. I'd forgotten about that. This drawing just reminded me.
Yeah.
Louie really doesn't like spiders, little artists. You know, Artie, spiders have 8 legs, and so far you've drawn 6, so I think we need to add one on the left and one on the right.
Okay.
Hippity hop, it's Artie o'clock. Ooh, that's such a creative drawing, Artie.
Thank you.
I love that.
Thanks.
Have a hoptastic day.
A hop-tastic day, huh? Wow, okay, we'll do that, Bunny. We'll hop right to it. I made a little joke, Artie.
Yeah, just a little one.
Did you know, Artie, there's over 50,000 different types of spiders in the world?
No.
Yes, it's true.
Ooh.
Okay, let's give our spider a web to sit in. Draw a big curved line underneath his left legs, another one underneath his face, and then another one underneath his right legs.
Ooh, can we have a shape break?
A shape break?
Yeah.
Why not? Let's see if Louie's
Oh, thank
available.
you. Louie, shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to the Shape Break. I'm Louie, and today we're going to learn about this shape right here. It's a hexagon. That's right, hexagon. It's a very interesting shape. So, it has 6 sides, and we're going to count them. Are you ready? We'll start at the bottom here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right, 6 sides. Oh, it's wonderful, isn't it? So, why did the hexagon go to art school? Because it wanted to learn how to draw excellent shapes. Hexagon, excellent shape. No, okay. Anyway, so where do we see this shape? Well, honeycombs. Honeycombs are hexagon-shaped. Snowflakes. Snowflakes also, when you look at them really closely, they're hexagon-shaped. And spider's webs, but I don't like those very much. Extraordinary. Extraordinary. Yeah, okay. What do you call a hexagon that's not here anymore? A hexagon. Gone. No. What's a hexagon's favorite exercise? Well, hexercise, of course. I don't know how I do it.
Oh, Louie, that was good. Yeah. Oh, Artie learned a lot.
Yeah, that was a good shape
Yeah,
break.
Shape break. Yeah.
Okay, let's finish the drawing, Artie. Let's draw another curved line on the right and another one on the left.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
2 more curved lines to complete the outside of the web. That's it, Artie. My goodness, you seem to be enjoying yourself with this drawing.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woohoo!
Oh, that's great. We're having fun watching you. We're all having fun. Now let's draw straight lines coming in towards the spider from the point of each of the curves of the outside of his web. Very good, Artie.
Artie is so focused.
Now let's draw some more curved lines inside the web to really make it look webby. This is a lot of work, this drawing, Artie. I wonder if a spider could make a web in the amount of time this drawing's taking. You're being very patient with this drawing, Artie. There's a lot of detail. It takes a lot of time.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
A couple more curved lines inside the web. You're nearly done, Artie. Oh, I know. Why don't we draw a single line of spider's web thread coming from the spider going up towards the top of the drawing, as if he's just dropped down and landed on his web. Oh yes, that looks really good.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
I'm finished.
It needs a little something else, though.
How about some color?
Oh yeah, good idea.
Okay, coloring time.
It looks so good, Artie. It came out really nice.
Yeah,
Are you happy with it?
came out so good.
It really did.
Artie's very, very happy.
See you later, Artie.
Have an Artie day!
We hope you had fun. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye. Have an Artie day. Bye.